Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach the second chapter of Class 8 Geography. The chapter name is Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources. First, we will learn about land as a natural resource. Land is the most important natural resource. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the Earth's surface. पर बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि इस थोड़े से परसेंटेज का सभी पार्ट्स रहने योग्य नहीं हैं? The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. The rugged topography, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas, desert areas are sparsely populated or uninhabited. Plains and river valleys provide land for agriculture, hence these areas are densely populated areas of the world. This is all about the land. Move to the another topic, land use. अगर आप अपने चारों ओर देखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि लैंड का यूज अलग अलग पर्पस के लिए होता है, जैसे एग्रीकल्चर, फॉरेस्ट्री, माइनिंग, बिल्डिंग हाउसेस, roads, setting up industries. The use of land is determined by two factors, physical factors and human factors. Physical factors are topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. Human factors are population and technology. Land is classified into two categories on the basis of ownership, private land and community land. Private land is owned by individual such as your own house. Community land is owned by the community for common purposes such as collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. Community lands are also known as common property resources. Major threats to the environment. First, land degradation. It means to decrease the quality of land. Landslides. लैंडस्लाइड का मतलब है जमीन के एक बड़े भाग का पहाड़ से नीचे की ओर गिरना. Third, soil erosion. It means washing or blowing away of the top layer of soil by wind, water and glacier. Fourth is desertification. ये एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें लैंड की प्रोडक्टिविटी इतनी कम हो जाती है कि वो लैंड डेजर्ट में बदल जाती है. Now we move to the another topic, that is conservation of land resource. First, afforestation means पेड़ों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लगाओ. Second, land reclamation. It means uncultivated land को cultivation के लिए fit बनाना. Third, regular use of chemical, pesticides and fertilizers. Fourth, checks on overgrazing. These are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. The next topic is landslides. लैंडस्लाइड का मतलब होता है जमीन के एक बड़े टुकड़े का पहाड़ से फिसलकर नीचे आ जाना. Landslide means the mass movement of rock, debris or earth down a slope. Causes of landslides. First, a prolonged spell of rainfall. एक लंबे टाइम तक बारिश का होना. Second, earthquake leads to a landslide in mountains. Third, floods and volcanic eruption. Fourth, construction activities. Fifth, absence of forest cover over steep slopes. Mitigation mechanisms. It means scientific techniques to control landslides. First, hazard mapping. Landslide prone area should be located so that such areas can be avoided for building settlements. Second, construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping. Third, increase in the vegetation cover to arrest landslide. Fourth, the surface drainage control works. इसका मतलब होता है पानी को निचली सतह पर जाने से रोकना. अगर पानी अर्थ की निचली सतह पर चला जाता है तो वह ज़मीन को अंदर से कमज़ोर बना देता है और लैंडस्लाइड के खतरे बढ़ जाते हैं. थैंक यू.